Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has won the trust vote. Here is the press conference. We're taking you live to his press conference. He's addressing media persons in Goa.
I'll go into English. The resolution motion was passed with 22 to 16, with one speaker supporting the ruling coalition. It makes actually support of 23 members, with 16 members opposing it. We have proved before the people of India, because this was being live feed sent to almost all national channels also. There's a lot of curiosity with national channel about this today's motion, and as promised, we had a support of 23. We proved it on the floor of the House, debunking the Digvijay's claim that they have numbers. Right from beginning they did not have number, and it was only hype, possibly because there was a demand which was coming that Digvijay step down as a general secretary and as a desk in charge. This happens when you come to Goa only to enjoy, not to work. Today's incident, I won't express anything, but I think there are wild allegations being made. Those with colored glasses make these allegations. As you saw, everyone voluntarily came and voted. None of them were kept in a hotel room or in a secluded common place, as was the case of opposition. And now on 22nd there will be speaker selection, 23rd governor's address, 24th budget, and the session will end there to meet again as per the requirement. Thank you very much for all the support, and you can ask me. मैं दूसरे पार्टी के संबंध में मैं कमेंट करना नहीं चाहता. That is not discussed. We will hold a cabinet tomorrow, so that portfolios are few portfolios, one each will be distributed tomorrow evening. By tomorrow, it may be declared day after tomorrow, because the governor has a program outside Goa, so it will require the formality of faxing it, taking her signature and coming back. Maybe it will be notified day after tomorrow morning. Swearing in two ministers will be in the middle, somewhere in the after 1st of April. Let the budget session go through. After budget session.
Tomorrow cabinet what time?
11 o'clock. Cabinet is for number one, governor's speech has to be approved. There are some minor issues which might be requiring cabinet attention. So, plus we have not met as a cabinet because I was waiting for vote of confidence. I have not cleared important files. I have not cleared policy decision files. I only cleared the routine standard files. Not because I was under pressure, but I thought it proper and appropriate that if any policy decision is required, the vote of confidence had to be complied with.
Any common minimum program?
Yes, as we promised, from today, from the date we were sworn in at Raj Bhavan, day for yesterday, 14th. Next 14th April, tentatively, maybe plus or minus 4-5 days, we will be giving you a common program, but it is basically towards development of Goa, towards keeping the speciality Goikarpan of Goa, towards getting employment, how to generate employment. These are the few of the issues. There are small issues, but main issues are basically we need to keep the special position of this state while we develop.
What about river nationalization?
I will answer those issues when we give the common minimum program.
How different the position
I will give you these replies when we come with the common minimum program.
This time you see a need for a deputy chief minister this time.
It is a government of coalition, and decisions in this regard will be taken by a coalition team.
But you will split it home and deputy.
Why you are bothered about what I'm going to split?
It is your problem.
So I will do it. When I do it, I will let you know.
What do you intend to do?
I told you that by tomorrow evening, late evening, my list will go to the governor. Notification might come day after tomorrow because she is travelling outside Goa. So she will have to be informed by fax, her signature obtained, and then only it can be notified. Once that is done, you will come to know. Technically, whatever portfolios are given, possibly one portfolio will be given immediately. The rest remains with Chief Minister automatically.
Are we 8 months remain for the national games here in Goa? So how is it not a challenge for you?
There are a lot of challenges we have faced.
So how you are going to
Last time we completed Lusophonia, though we had not promised it, and the money given to Lusophonia game by central government was spent by the earlier government on freebies.
Mane is also an issue, sir. That will be a priority for the government.
Definitely, the moment the vote of confidence is secured, all these issues one by one will tackle, including the traffic jam which happens in front of the secretary. जब इसका डिसीजन हो जाएगा उस समय बोल देंगे. There are number of seats. There are number of choices, so I will tell you when it comes.
Deputy Speaker's post will be offered to opposition by any chance?
What?
Deputy Speaker's post, whether it will be offered to opposition?
We'll decide about it. We have not discussed speaker and deputy speaker.
महाराष्ट्रामध्ये राष्ट्रवादी आणि भाजपा दोघांना एकमेकांना शत्रू मानतायत, मात्र गोव्यामध्ये राष्ट्रवादीने तुमच्या समर्थनार्थ मतदान केलेलं आहे. काय सांगता?
तुम्हाला त्यांनाच विचारावं लागेल.
नाही 21 तारखे
काही खेपेला समर्थन एखाद्या डेव्हलपमेंट या विषयावर होऊ शकतं. आम्हाला पत्र त्यांनी गव्हर्नरला दिलेलं नाही पाठिंबा, पण समर्थन हे डेव्हलपमेंट या विषय मर्यादित विषयापुरतं होऊ शकतं. महाराष्ट्रात सुद्धा जिकडे विरोध आहे तिथं सुद्धा डेव्हलपमेंटला विरोध नाही आहे.
सीएम 21 तारखे माधे कमिशन विल बी पंचाळ कमिशन.
So I will answer you either on 20th or 21st.
Are you happy that one of the Congress MLAs withdrew from the voting? Are you happy about it?
I don't comment on their status because the moment I said something, he was trying to create commentary about it. I don't want to comment.
Sir, two months have been wasted of Goa due to election code of conduct. You see a need to speed up the administration now?
Obviously, elections, that's why प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन सब एक साथ ले लो. मतलब कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट सब एक साथ रहेगा और ये जो वेस्टेज है वो कम हो जाएगा. नहीं तो हर एक साल में 2 बार इलेक्शन, अभी भी पंचायत का इलेक्शन आगे सामने है, उसके लिए भी थोड़ा कोड लगेगा.
With this Goa is likely to go for election in 2019.
What?
With this Prime Minister's vision, will Goa again go for election in 2019?
If constitutional amendment is carried out, I don't think anyone has a choice. I don't know what is the way he will. He has started a debate. You probably has an intention of starting another debate. I don't have that intention, but if there is an amendment in the constitution or law, then everyone has to follow the amendment.
The last government were described as communal denationalization. You still back those allegations to me?
Past is the past. The future is Goa first. Goa first.
विजय आणि
Goa first in fast forward.
असं तुमच्या दोघांना. विजय आणि सुधीर राज्यसभेची सीट खाली जावं पाहिजे असा. So are you going to support BJP's candidate?
We'll decide.
We will support,
decide as on date.
We will support the candidate which will be chosen by this alliance.
Correct.
We are with the alliance for
This
now
is a
and
coalition.
forever.
You will have a coordination committee for alliance partners.
हांगा बसल्या मरे 5 जण
No, whether there will be a formal coordination.
आणि हे 2 इंडिपेंडंट बसल्याले जे गव्हर्मेंटाचे भाग आसा ते सगळ्यांक हे करू आता. फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल हाका कितें करता जोपर्यंत तुजे कम्फर्ट लेवल आहा. द कॅबिनेट इट सेल्फ ऑलमोस्ट एक्सेप्ट 1 or 2 represents all the groups. So we can even discuss issues informally after the cabinet meetings and take decisions. Because ultimately it's a very small state.
आणि कोणी काँग्रेसींतल्यान 4-5 जण आयले जाल्यार घेतले तुमी
तुका सांगला हांच्यानी दिग्विजयाची कितें तांच्यानी परमिशन दिग्विजया कडेन परमिशन घेतली म्हाका तांच्या पक्षाचेर कित्याक उलोवंक लायता हांव आमच्या टिमीचेर उलयता आय डोंट कॉमेंट
सर काही दिवसांपूर्वी तुम्ही वक्तव्य केलं होतं काँग्रेसचे काही आमदार आमच्या संपर्कात आहेत ते आज फ्लोर टेस्टच्या वेळेला का नाही
नाही बघितलं नाही तुम्ही
मी तुम्हाला कधीच असं सांगितलेलं नाही त्यांनी SMS पाठवलेले आहे याचा अर्थ संपर्क करणं म्हणजे काय त्यातले कमीत कमी 75% हॅव ग्रीटेड मी बिकॉज दे हॅव बीन पार्ट ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर असेंबली विथ मी अर्लियर ऑल्सो सो दे केम एंड विश्ड मी मेनी ऑफ देम शूक हैंड विथ मी उसमें क्या होता है गोवा इतना छोटा है वी नो ईच अदर वेरी वेल सो कांटेक्ट करना उसका मतलब दिग्विजय को गलत समझा
When you expand remaining 2 slots, expand the cabinet.
I gave the reply already. After budget, not necessarily on a particular date.
Two ministers from BJP or
तू का विचारता
Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar addressing media persons in Goa after winning the trust vote. It is indeed a big day there because we saw that 16 members voted against the motion, but he received the support of 22 members. One Congress member, Vishwajit Rane, had abstained for voting. However, he also said the portfolios will be decided soon. A meeting will be held tomorrow. He also mentioned that Goa governor is travelling outside Goa tomorrow, so the notification could be taken up after day after tomorrow. We'll keep you updated with other developments also and the details of the press conference. The press conference is still on. We'll keep you updated.